This is the compression side of 1000 kV ultra-high voltage transmission line of high-strength aluminum alloy core aluminum strand conductors. There are 4 set compressors in the site. 4 conductors can be compressed at the same time. The press joint side must be laid with colored cloth to protect the conductors and avoid abrasions. This is a pressure pipe. There are 2 kinds of pressure pipes. One is the aluminum alloy core pressure pipes. The big one is the conductor pressure pipes. The conductor must be precisely cut according to the size of the pipe before pressing. This is the conductor after cutting. The head of the conductor is covered with tapes. First, compress aluminum alloy core small pipe. Before compressing aluminum alloy core small pipe, the big pipe must be sheathed to the conductor first. Do not leave gaps between each pressing. Press the center first and then both sides. After the small pipes compressing, the measurement need to be done again, according to the size of the big pressure pipes to precisely locate the position of the pressure pipes. Apply ionizing paste on the conductors, tear off the tapes on the conductors. Locate the positions of the big pressure pipes, and begin to press. This is the pressure joint work of the large pressure pipes. No gaps should be left before pressing. Notice don't to press the position of small pressure pipes. We press the center at first, and then to both sides. After pressing is completed, install cover joints. Wrap around the cover joints with felt cloth to complete the pressing.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.